In this video, we will solve a question on ISLM model. For an economy, the following data is being given us. That is, consumption is equal to 100 plus 0.8 times Y subscript D, where Y subscript D is the disposable income, C denotes the consumption. Marginal tax rate is being given us as 25%, which is T is equal to 0.25. Investment is a negative function of rate of interest, that is equal to 200 minus 10R, where 200 is the autonomous investment when the level of interest rate is 0. Okay, and government spending is autonomous here, which is 300. This M upon P denotes the real money supply, which is 180, which is exogenously being given us to here, and which is fixed by the central bank, and demand for money is being given by us as 0.2Y minus 5 times R. We are being told to derive the IS equation, LM equation, find the equilibrium level of income and interest rate, and also we will try to find out the total tax revenue. Okay, so to solve this question, first part is to find out the IS equation. Okay, so we will try to find out the IS equation. Now this IS equation comes from the goods market equilibrium, and we know that goods market is in equilibrium when the total income is equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus the government spending. Okay, using this formula, so our income will be Y will be equal to consumption function is being given us as 100. So we have 100. This is the autonomous level of income, consumption when the level of income is 0. Okay, plus we have 0.8 times disposable income, and we know that Y subscript D, that is YD, disposable income, is simply equal to the total income minus the tax paid on that very income, that is Y minus T times Y. Okay, so using this relationship, so in this case we write Y minus TY, plus we have the investment, which is here, investment is 200 minus 10R, plus we have the government spending, which is autonomous here, which is 300. Okay, so if I draw the graph to make it more easy to understand, let us draw the graph here. So we have the level of income on the horizontal line and rate of interest on the vertical axis. Okay, we need to derive the IS equation. So IS equation shows us, or IS curve shows us, different levels of income and rate of interest where the goods market is in equilibrium, and it will be downward sloping, and we will show it here. Now let us rewrite this equation. So our total income will be equal to 100 plus 0.8 Y minus marginal tax rate is 0.25, so we write 0.25 times Y plus 200. Let's do one thing here to save the space. Let's add the constants here. So we have 100, 200, 300. So we have 300. We have 600 plus this minus 10R. Okay, our total income, or Y will be equal to 600 plus 0.8 Y minus 0.25 Y is 0.75 Y minus 10R, or Y will be equal to 600 0.8 into 0.75. so we have 0.8 into 0.75, so we have 8 upon 10 into 75 upon 100. If I convert it into the what we call in decimals here, so what will we get here? So we have 25 3s are 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 3s are 6 upon 10, 6 upon 10, which is 0.6. so we can write plus 0.6 Y minus 10R. Okay, transpose this term here, so we get Y minus 0.6 Y is equal to 600 minus 10R, or subtracting 0.6 Y from Y, we will get 0.4 Y will be equal to 600 minus 10R. Now 0.4 can be written as 4 upon 10. Y will be equal to 600 minus 10R, or Y will be equal to, if I transpose, it will get divided, or we get it as 600 into 10 upon 4 minus 10 into 10 upon 4 R. So here we will get 4 1s are 4 so it is 150 150 into 10, so which is 1500. So we get y is equal to 1500. 10 tens are 100, so it will become here minus 25r. Okay, so this is our IS equation. So you can see there is negative relationship between the income and level of interest because we have the negative coefficient of r. So this is our IS equation. So this is our IS equation, which is downward sloping. It shows us different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where goods market is in equilibrium. Okay, now we need to find out the money market equilibrium. So we need to derive the LM equation. LM equation. Now LM equation shows us the money market equilibrium. So money market is in the equilibrium when the demand for money is equal to supply for money. Okay, so for good what we call the for money market equilibrium, our demand for money, which is being denoted by here L, or let's write it, demand for money is equal to supply for money. So demand for money is this 0.2y minus 5r. So this is demand for money, and you can see here demand for money is the positive function of income and negative function of rate of interest, which should be equal to real money supply, which is 180 here, which is fixed by the government, or which is being given us as exogenous thing. So it is 180 here. Now let us solve for y. So 0.2y will be equal to 180 plus 5r. So 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10. Okay, let us cut it here. So we have 2 upon 10 here. Okay, so our y will be equal to, transpose this, it will get multiplied but reciprocated. So we have 180 into 10 upon 2 plus 5 into 10 upon 2 r. So here we will get 2 ones are 2 90s are, so we get 90, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 90 into 10 is 900. So y will be equal to 900 plus 5 5s are 25 r. Here you can see our LM equation is positive sloped. Okay, so let's draw the LM equation here. So our LM equation will look like this. This is our L. No, let me draw another graph to make it more easy. So we have y and we have r here. So our LM equation will look like this. This is our LM equation. It shows us different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where our goods market is in equilibrium. Okay, so we got the IS equation, we got the LM equation. Now we need to find out the equilibrium level of income and rate of interest. That is, we need to find out the simultaneous equilibrium. So we have income and rate of interest. Now we know that for IS LM to be in equilibrium, they should intersect with each other. So we have downward sloping this very graph. This is our IS and this is our LM. Okay, so IS LM. So the point of intersection of IS and LM will give us the equilibrium level of income, Y star, and level of rate of interest, R star. Okay, let us find out. For simultaneous equilibrium, what should happen? IS should be equal to LM. Okay, so IS equation is this. This is our IS equation. This is our LM equation. Let us equate them. Since LHS is same, we can equate RHS. So we have 1500 minus 25R should be equal to 900 plus 25R. Okay, now transpose this here, so it becomes 50R. 50R is equal to 1500 minus 900. Now so it is 600 here. Okay, so we get 600 dividing both sides by 50. So R will be equal to 600 divided by 50. So you go yes, 5 ones are 12 25 are. So we will get 12 here. Okay, so rate of interest will be 12 here. Now to find out the equilibrium level of income, what we need to do, plug the rate of interest either in the IS equation or LM equation. Let us put it into the LM equation to get the equilibrium level of income. So we have 900 plus 25 times 12. Okay, so 25 into 12, 25 into 12. I'm really weak in these calculations. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 0 go 0, 0 go 0. so it is 300. So y will be equal to 900 plus 300, which is equal to 1500. So at equilibrium, total income is 1500 and level of income is, sorry, interest rate is 12% or 12 here. Okay, now we have to find out the tax revenue in this equation. So what is the tax revenue? Tax revenue will be the marginal tax rate, which is T, times the equilibrium level of income. So marginal tax rate is 0.25 times equilibrium level of income is 1500. Okay, I hope I have done the calculation right here. No, now the Kataba, so it is here 12. Okay, my mistake here, my mistake, it is 12. So it is 12. So we have 12 here, marginal tax rate times the equilibrium level of income. So let us see what it is. 25 divided by 100 into 1200. Yes, sir. So 25 into 12. So tax revenue will be equal to again 300. I hope I make myself clear in this video. So please, give your valuable feedback, so that I can make more useful stuff for you people. I am making these videos free of cost. I don't charge any penny. I take the questions that you post on the Telegram channel or on other, platforms. Okay, so these are your questions. I'm just trying to, help you out how to solve them. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with your friends. Give your valuable feedback, because this I'm struggling to keep continue on this channel. It's too difficult to make time or give my time for this channel. So your valuable feedback and your support, that's all I need to continue make more useful stuff for you people. Keep shining and stay blessed. Thank you.